Okay guys, so in today's video I just want to quickly show you guys what Gemma 412b built. So I prompted it to create a dynamic modern one-page website for my data analytics consulting business, Alfie Data Analytics. So when I prompted it, when I sent it that prompt, it sort of went through and tried to describe the website, but I said no, generate the HTML for it so I can run it on my computer. So then it went on and generated this HTML code here, which I copied and then I pasted into my HTML document and I launched it, and drum rolls please. Ta-da! This is the website that Gemma 412b generated. I mean, is this cool or what? I love the design. Amazing. I mean, seriously, I love the design. It's just beautiful. It's dynamic. Yeah, so this is the first project that Gemma 412b did. And I love this one-page website design. So this is my very first project that I'm doing now with Gemma 412b. I'm going to test out some other use cases as well to see what it can generate. But as a free model running locally on my computer and generating a website like this, I mean, come on, I think everything's possible. What are you guys testing? Come on, let's test Gemma 412b, and I'm going to go on and do some other tests as well. I am so excited about this. I am so excited. Let me go and see what other apps, what other projects I can build with Gemma 412b.